How to see private account on Twitter. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to tap open your Twitter or X account. Once you are in here, make sure to log in into your account. To check for private account, you need to at least follow the person if they have a private account. If you don't want them to know it is really you, you can just create a secondary account and just tap on the follow button. And that is the only way possible to actually see the account of a private person on Twitter. So if you just try to search for any of the private account that you want to follow, you will see the notification that the account is private. So there are some of the claims that you can easily view those accounts with simple hacks. However, this is strongly not supported by Twitter or X. If Twitter founds you for doing any of the conducts that is considered as misconduct by the terms and policy of Twitter, you may also lose your account. So just go ahead and create a secondary account or just tap on the follow button, and that is the only way you'll be able to see private account on Twitter. This wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.